Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to create a quiz in the D2L Learning System. First, we're going to go under Assessment, and then we're going to select Quizzes and Exams. So now we're going to select New Quiz, and we're going to name our quiz. This is going to be Week 1 Quiz. Next, we need to add some questions to our quiz. And to do this, we're going to access the questions that we've already added to our question library. First, we're going to select Import, and then we're going to browse the question library. I previously created these questions entitled Quiz 1 in the question library, and I'm going to select them all and then go back to the settings for the week 1 quiz. And you will see if you scroll down that all of the questions that we added are there. Next, we're going to select to shuffle the questions. Okay, so let's set some restrictions for this quiz. So for this quiz, I want to make sure that it has a due date and the availability date. So I'm just going to select the availability dates. So I'm going to make it available right now, and then I'm going to make it available until 11:59 p.m. on April the 1st. And then we are going to scroll down and continue adding our restrictions. I'm then going to scroll down and set my time limit. So I'm going to have an enforced time limit of 90 minutes, and then I'm going to have the quiz flagged 5 minutes before the time is exceeded. And I want to make sure that I prevent the students from making any changes once they've exceeded the time. I can add any special access, and then I click Save. Now we're going to go into Assessment. So in assessment, we're going to allow the attempt to be set as graded immediately upon completion, and then we're going to attach it to the gradebook item, which the gradebook item we're attaching it to is the week 1 quiz. And then we are going to allow the grade to automatically be exported to the grade limit. I'm going to set unlimited attempts, but I'm going to set the average of all attempts is going to be the grade. So then click Save. Now, if we need to add any additional things like our objectives or submission views or reports, we'll do that here. One thing we want to make sure is that it is not showing the questions in the submission views. We're going to click Save and Close, and there you have it. There is our new quiz that we've just created.